Welcome back to Branded Tech. Today we have an unboxing Oneplus 12 case, and this one is the Oneplus 12 Armid Fiber bumper case. Correct me if I pronounce that wrong. Now this is going to be a very quick, short and sweet video because, I mean, it's literally just a case. But seeing as this is brand new and I have never seen it in person, I thought I'd just make a quick video. So we have a little quick pull tab, similar to Apple and Samsung. And here is the case itself. Let's try to slide it out. Okay. It's just in this little plastic holder. Nothing really on the box, by the way. It's just a simple outline of the case itself. It's pretty nice first impressions. It's like it's a soft, flat matte with a hint of carbon fiber. It probably actually shows up a little bit better in the video than it does in real life. It's almost at angles. It almost just looks like a regular silicone case. Pretty thin, lightweight. Let's actually pop it on the Oneplus 12 and see how it looks. Nice. Something to note, it very quickly is definitely getting some fingerprints, so that is something to keep in mind. If you do have a Oneplus 12, I would definitely recommend getting a case. This will be the first case that I've ever had with this device. This is going to be my daily driver, so I definitely need something to protect it. The silk-like back finish of the Oneplus 12 is very slippery. Feels great in the hands, but it is extremely slippery. So I definitely recommend getting a case. Basically, on OnePlus's website, they have two options. They have this one, the fiber style case, and then they have the sandstone case, which has a more like grit-like texture. Very much resemblance to the original OnePlus One. If you know anything about that device, very, very similar. So this is just a short and sweet video. If you guys are interested, I'll have links in the description. This case is $30 on OnePlus's website. They sometimes have discounts. But thank you so much for checking us out, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.